warm welcome. Today we're looking at another lead code question, which is invert boundary tree. This is a fairly a famous question because I believe this this is being coming into article that okay, can we invert a boundary tree, right? And what do we mean by inverting a boundary tree? Here is if you see this example right now, all the left nodes which are there, if I kind of partition this here in between, right? If I do this like this, my 2 which was earlier on the left side is now on the right side, right? And my 7 which was earlier on the left side is now on the right side. So you can say this is a mirror and we have just inverted that into this one, right? This is what we need to do. So all the left child become the right child, or the right child become the left child, right? And that's where the whole crux of logic is, right? We need to kind of traverse through the entire node and bring all the left childs and make them the right child of a given root node, right? So what we're going to do, right, is if say root is double equal to null, I say okay, return say root, which will be in a way null. Now, as I said earlier, right, all the left child has to become the right child. So first I'll go and see what are the left childs, right? So I say invert. I'm going to be traversing through all the left childs here, and I'm going to find the right childs as well. So in a way, my left and right are traversed. So by the end of this, if you look through the pointer, right? What will happen is I'm going and finding the left for a given root node. So by the end of it, my left will be the final, you can say, leaf left node. And what it has to be now is the right node, right? So root dot right will be equal to left, and root dot left will be equal to right. I need to return root. This is as simple as that, right? So just for clarity's sake, let's do something like this, okay? Console dot write line, say I'll do 0 and 1. Now this will be left dot val, comma right dot val. Okay. Just to ensure if root left is not equal to null, then I'll print the left val and say if the right is not equal to null. I'm just doing this for you can say for us to fairly understand what is happening here. So let's do this. Let's run this code now. So if you see, right, first I have the left node. Let me further clear it out. Left, right. Okay. So on the first iterations, once I'm going through this particular code, right, I'm at the leaf node first, which is say 1. 1 is my final left, which is coming here, right? And my right will be the 3, which is be again the leaf node here. What I'm saying is now my right becomes left and left becomes right. So I just traversed these two. So these 1 and 3 are now 3 and 1 here. So if I go next, right, I got 6 and 9, which is again these leaf nodes. Now this again will be traversed with this line of code. Then I'll go to the parent nodes, those will be inverted, and then I go to the root node, that will remain the same actually, right? So I just wrote this down so that we get a pictorial view as to what is happening here. But I think you would have got a fair idea. What we are doing is we are traversing through all the left nodes first, traversing through all the right nodes first until unless we reach the leaf nodes, and then we are just swapping the values when the right becomes the left and left becomes the right, right? And if I move a step back, then my you can say the parent node will be interchanged, then their parent node will be interchanged until unless I reach to the root node, right? Let me submit this code. Cool, it got accepted. So this is it, guys. I think this was fairly easy question in late code, and it's been asked to Google as to this is like a basic you can say expectation from big companies that okay, you should at least know how to invert a binary tree, right? So with this, I'll take your leave. In case you still have any questions, any doubts, please do reach out to me in the comment section. In case you like the explanations, please do hit the like button. And in case you're new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button down at the bottom. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.